Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on sharing your screen on Zoom. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on both PC and mobile, starting with PC. From within a Zoom meeting, you want to click on the green Share Screen button at the bottom of the meeting window. Now you have many options of how you want to share your screen. The first option is to share your whole desktop. I have two screens, so I have the option to share desktop 1 or 2. There is also a whiteboard option, so you can draw freely on the screen. You can choose to just share an application that you have open or to just share a browser window. There are also advanced options at the top, which allow you to share just a selected portion of your screen or to share music or computer sound only. If you click on Files at the top, you can choose to just share a specific file. If you want the sound of your computer to be shared also, be sure to tick the checkbox to share computer sound in the bottom left corner. When sharing a video, you should check the checkbox to optimize screen sharing for video clip from the bottom left. When you have chosen which screen sharing method you would like to use, press the Share button on the bottom right. When you are screen sharing, at the top of the screen there is a toolbar which allows you to stop the screen share, or you can choose to pause it and then resume it. You can also start a new share to create a seamless transition between different pages or documents when sharing. Now I will show you how to share your screen on mobile. From within a Zoom meeting, click on the green Share Content button at the bottom of the page. You will now have some options of what you want to share. Click Screen. Be aware that everything on your screen will be broadcasted, so it's a good idea to enable Do Not Disturb mode so that you don't get any unexpected notifications during your screen share. Now select Zoom from the list of apps and click on Start Broadcast. Your screen is now being broadcasted to the meeting. If you want to stop recording at any time, just click on the red bar at the top of the screen and then select Stop. You can also open the Zoom app and press the Stop Share button from there. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Zoom tips and tricks.